Hey everybody, and welcome to the first video in a multi-part series about the NFT assembler. So what is the NFT assembler? NFT assembler is an easy-to-use software built for artists and musicians to be able to professionally assemble their own images, metadata, and even music for their NFT collection, all without knowing code or hiring a dev team. We realize there's other places you can go to assemble your NFT collection, but there's some things that make NFT assembler truly special. First of all, you don't need to know any code or own any special software to create your series. It really doesn't matter if you use Photoshop, Illustrator, an iPad, or even scanned in drawings or photographs. As long as you have a working browser and a computer, you're going to be able to run this app. One of the most important differentiations of our software over most assemblers is our focus on the privacy of your data and media. We built this app in JavaScript to run on your browser, so none of your files ever leave your computer, and all assembling is done within the browser. This means you don't have to trust a website to guard your raw files and finished collection before you release them to the public. Another thing that makes our software special is easy rarity selection for each trait. By clicking an up and down arrow or inputting a number, you can select the exact amount of each trait you want to show up in the collection. We've also added blend modes so you can choose how each trait is layered. You can select blend modes like multiply, soft light, or any of the most common modes you find in most photo editing applications. We've also added the ability to create custom combinations of your choosing. This can be done for as many tokens as you like, or even your entire collection. In the same regard, we've also added the ability to ban trait combinations being created in your collection. You can ban a very specific combination, or even something more broad like no beards on tokens with lipstick. We've also added the ability to select multiple images and sounds for a single trait. An example would be having multiple skin tones under a single trait named human, or having multiple different colored shirts under a trait named t-shirts. Do we mention assembling audio tracks? This is our latest feature and gives music artists the ability to generate collections of music the same way visual artists have been able to do in the NFT space for years. Of course, we're always improving speed and functionality. We have a long list of improvements we plan to continue developing into this application. One of those is adding the provenance hash, and more importantly, a validator for the provenance hash. Another is integration into our ecosystem's rarity site, so you can view the rarity of your collection privately before you launch it. Finally, one of the most important distinctions of the NFT assembler is it's part of the Hot Butts Club ecosystem. We're a growing community of creators and collectors passionate about building tools to empower artists, collectors, and musicians in the NFT space. We hope you're excited to use the app and look forward to seeing you in our community. The next few videos will go over how to use NFT Assembler to create your own collections.